welcome to our kitchen. I'm Chris.
I'm Kristen, and we are Keto in the Country. If you're looking for a healthy, smart, whole food approach to keto, then you have come to the right channel.
Yes, you have. And today we have a very unique dish. It's a side dish, and it's packed with nutrients, so you can't miss it.
If you want more videos like these, make sure not to forget to hit the subscribe button and to like our video.
And to hit the little bell right there. That way you'll be notified every time we put out a recipe. So if you're staying away from pumpkin or butternut squash because of the carbs, think again.
Yes, any kind of vegetable that might be a little bit high in carbs, just think portion control. Put it in your macros, put it in the keto app if you have one.
Exactly, and it's not that bad.
No,
it's 9 carbs for a cup. And I checked the butternut squash and the pumpkin, and they're both about the same.
Right, and they're loaded with nutrients. So they have a ton of flavor. You want those in your salad or whatever dish you're making.
And today we're gonna make a salad. It is a roasted pumpkin chunk and feta salad. Okay. So it's packed with vitamin A, which is your beta carotene. It has 245% of what you need a day.
That's so crazy. So for those of you like me who don't know what beta carotene is, Christy's going to tell us.
It's a part of the vitamin A family. It helps with cognitive function, which helps fight Alzheimer's. And it also is an anti-inflammatory, so it helps fight cancer.
Right.
Those are the two main jobs of beta carotene. Also, I know you can get beta carotene through green vegetables.
Right.
But your body absorbs beta carotene better through orange vegetables.
Oh my gosh, that's just something you would never think.
How does it know?
I know, I wonder.
I don't know. And also, you can do this 2 ways. You can roast your own pumpkin.
Do it that way.
Is super easy. Or if you're short on time, you can get those little packets of butternut squash.
Yes.
In the produce section. Like I said, the macros are gonna be about the same.
Not only is this salad packed with nutrients, it's also bursting with flavor and color.
And it's so unique.
Yes. Now, if you haven't tried pumpkin seeds, we urge you to try them because it's getting like 2 power foods in one from this recipe.
So if you're gonna roast your own pumpkin, keep those seeds. Pumpkin seeds have tryptophan and magnesium. So it's like nature's own little sleeping pill, which you probably need.
Yes. Oh my gosh, yes.
So let's get in the kitchen and make this salad.
So this is one of those recipes where it's so easy that it's almost like, should we show it to them or not?
I know, it's so easy.
Yes.
It's almost not worth a YouTube video, but it's so good we had to. These are 2 foods I would never have put together, is
right.
Pumpkin and feta.
Exactly.
But I got the idea on the cruise ship a couple of weeks ago.
Yes.
So we had to try to emulate it.
And some of these unique recipes are things that are just going to surprise you
and everybody else.
Yes, and everybody else, to make your mouth so happy. Even after it sits for like an hour or 2, I think that the flavor even gets better.
I think so too. So that's it. We hope you enjoy it. You've got to try it. Please let us know, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Chris. Welcome. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye. I'm not sure if I should say it yet.
No.
It's one of those like, was I supposed to say bye? I don't know. Oh
I
my
looked
God.
hideous.
I bet you, no, because you can pull off a short hair
I
look.
looked hideous.
Mine was like right here. My mom's like, oh wow, so sophisticated. In her mind, she's probably like, why did I leave her here alone?